The Dutch rail infrastructure is constructed with rails that are connected to sleepers using base plates and coach screws. A large part of the rail infrastructure still uses wooden sleepers. Over time, overgrown screw holes in wooden sleepers can make the track less stable. Instead of replacing the sleeper, the connection can be repaired with our in-house developed repair system called ThreadFix. Thus, we keep the infrastructure in optimum condition without any time-consuming and expensive replacements. After the repair, the track can go into service again within 20 minutes. First, remove the coach screw and base plate, then start drilling the screw hole with a 32mm electric drill to a maximum depth of 14 centimeters. Remove all wood chips with the wood chip remover. Check if the screw hole is free of any other contamination. Place the centraliser in the screw hole to centralise the coach screw during curing. The drilled hole is deep enough when the centraliser stands 1 centimetre below the edge of the screw hole. Load the gun and screw the nozzle onto the cartridge. The coach screw is then greased and put in place, so it can be directly inserted into the screw hole after this has been filled with ThreadFix. Fill the screw hole completely with ThreadFix. By using the centraliser, an equal filling of 4 to 5 millimeters around the coach screw is ensured. Insert the greased coach screw into the filled screw hole within 30 seconds. Do not wait too long, otherwise there is a risk that the filling has already cured. ThreadFix has a short curing time of only 10 minutes. Unscrew the coach screw from the newly created and fully customised screw thread. Now a very strong connection between the sleeper and the coach screw is realised, without full surface bonding with the base plate. After the repair, the coach screw can be tightened as many times as necessary. Innovative repair system for wooden sleepers. Repairs completed within 20 minutes. Fully customised screw thread. All materials remain dismountable. ThreadFix repairs the connection between the rails and the wooden sleepers. A connection that can last until the end of the service life of the wooden sleeper. Enhancement is ready in an instant, with high-quality products to ensure a safe and reliable rail infrastructure. Voestalpine, one step ahead.